I am Dr. S.M. Kulkarni, working as the head of the Electronics and Telecommunication Department at JSPM TSSM, Vasantdada Patil Institute of Technology, Bavdhan, Pune. Our department is committed for the excellence both in the academics and as well as in the professional manners. We have the rich history of producing the skilled engineers who are excelling their work in the field of the electronics and telecommunication. Our department have the faculty members who are highly qualified and they are rich in the experience. They are not only the experts in their fields, but they are also dedicated educators. Our laboratories are equipped with high-end equipments and with the latest technology, which will be providing the hands-on experience to the students, and that will be helpful for mastering the concepts in the electronics and engineering. In this year, E&TC students, they are placed in the reputed companies, and the highest package, it is of 13 lakhs and the average package which is around 6 lakhs. Our alumni network, which is spanned over the various organizations, it is the testament of our quality education and the education which the students are receiving. Our department also emphasizes the collaboration with the industries, and from that point of view, we are organizing the workshops, seminars. In conclusion, the Electronics and Telecommunication Department at PVPIT, we are nurturing the talents in the students, and that will be making the significant contribution for the society as well as for the industry. Our focus, it is on the quality education, excellent faculty and strong industry connections, which will be making the one of the leading department in the field of the electronics. We look forward for continuing the tradition of the excellence in the coming days, and will like to welcome to the new students to join our vibrant and dynamic community. Thank you all.